Aries, this is an Aries Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus collective reading for the month of August. For your personal reading, kindly send me a direct message. Kamusta mga Aries? Kamusta? This is an Aries Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus collective reading for the month of August. Collective reading, collective energy ng ating mga Aries. Pasok sa bara. Energy ng ating mga Aries. Collective energy, please. This is an Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Collective energy. Collective reading for the month of August. Let's see kung anong meron para sa ating mga Aries. Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Collective reading for the month of August. Okie-dokie. Aries, collective reading for the month of August. Okay. Ingat sa mga scammers. Ang nag-iisang account ng Mystic Siren ay kay Angeles 11. Yung dating account natin na kay Angeles, hindi ka na ma-open, na-log out, na-hack po siya. Ang nag-iisang account, active account ng Mystic Siren na legit ay kay Angeles 11. Alrighty? Aries. Meron kang hinihintay na love offer, like tuparin ang pangako, tuparin ang ibinigay before na apology. You're waiting for a change behavior, you're waiting for something na dumating. Pagod ka nang maghintay, I feel in the past, nangolekta ka na. Okay? If this is your person, nag-follow up ka. Kailan ba yung pangako mo? Kailan yung sinasabi mong bakasyon? Kailan yung sinasabi mong magbabago ka na? Bakit wala pa? Okay? You feel na parang niloloko, not really niloloko, hindi tumutupad sa pangako at hindi sincere ang person mo sa mga napag-usapan, mga binitiwan niyang pangako at apology. Nagdala ng conflict, but sabi mo, you need to let this connection go. Sabi mo, kailangan mo ng, hindi pwedeng the same lang yung energy. You had a new beginning. But I feel, kung nagkaroon man ng temporary separation or hindi pag-uusap, someone tried to reconnect, apologize again, try to make things right, may bumalik. And I feel, pareho nyo namang sinubukang ayusin ang sitwasyon na to with a judgment card. But, I feel, may realization yung masculine na talagang meron siyang mga pagkukulang at na-hurt niya ang feminine. But, sinusubukan naman niyang ayusin, but nagkakaroon ng conflict pagdating sa commitment. Okay, na ma-perfect, na dire-diretso, na makommit, na wag nang ulitin yung mga dating nakaka-hurt sa connection na to. Nagkaroon ng decision na sabi, sige, kalimutan na whatever happened in the past. Ang mahalaga, sinusubukan namang ayusin at nag-e-effort to make things right. Sabi ng masculine, confident siya na maaayos to eventually, itong connection na to. Okay? Nagkaroon ng maraming betrayal, dishonest energy sa connection na to, at meron pang sabihin nating it really needs time for an emotional wound to heal. Okay? But I feel nandito pa rin naman kayo together trying to fix things. Okay. To heal your heart chakra, to balance and have harmony sa emotions at mga relationships sa paligid mo. That would be the That would be the Madagascar rose quartz. Okay, the pink crystal. If you're manifesting abundance and happiness, Brazilian citrine, the yellow crystal. Meron din tayong combination ng, this is the yellow crystal, abundance and happiness. Meron din tayong combination ng love and money. Okay. So, the reason for the reading is conflict, pag-aaway, misunderstanding, battle ng ego. But kahit medyo magulo, kahit maraming misunderstanding, kahit asot pusa, nakita nyo pa rin ang bawat isa as the wish fulfillment. Recent pa, sabi ng feminine sa connection na to, magpo-focus muna siya sa glow up, pagpapaganda, chasing her goals, building her own queendom, at decided siya na ayusin ang kanyang sarili. If the masculine is not ready yet, sabi niya, sige, siya muna, ayusin muna niya yung sarili niya at ang kanyang personal goals. May prayers and manifestations here, sabi ng mga Aries. Lord, ang daming unacceptable, non-negotiable sa relationship na to. Turuan mo ko, give me the wisdom, turuan mo kong umunawa. Or if you're someone na marami pang aayusin sa iyong sarili, ikaw yung parang, Lord, alam ko, unacceptable ang behavior ko, turuan mo akong magbago, tulungan mo akong ma-realize kung ano yung shadow part mo, no? Para hindi ka na rin paulit-ulit, para magkaroon na ng positive transformation ang iyong personal life. Okay? Right now, sabi ng mga Aries, meron siyang gustong kausapin. Gustong kausapin, gustong makipag-usap, naghihintay ng communication. But I feel someone is hesitant to communicate with you. So kung gusto mong mangyari ang communication na to, ikaw na ang mag-initiate. Okay? Sabi ng person ng mga Aries, parang nagkaroon ng abrupt ending. It's either natapos ang connection nyo, nagkaroon ng temporary breakup, hindi nag-uusap. But iniisip niya na parang wala na ang connection na to. Nagdala ng maraming heartbreak and pain. But still, okay. I feel the feminine is waiting for communication. At sabi ng masculine, gusto naman niya makipag-usap sa feminine. Alam niya nasaktan niya yung feminine, but natatakot siya na baka hindi na siya love, hindi na interesado, or baka awayin siya ng feminine. Especially kung yung feminine dito ay yung Aries. Okay? So, may fear and doubt dito. Aries, marami ka rin iniisip about kabuhayan, kaperahan. Sabi mo, this time, it's about you. Lahat ng ibibuild mo, it's not being selfish, but sobra-sobra kang naging mapagbigay in the past that you feel so depleted, resources, and love. Okay? Sabi mo, this time, you will fill your cup first. Cup of love, cup of finances, cup of personal growth. Lahat, uunahin muna ang iyong sarili. At yan ay promise mo sa sarili mo. Okay? Until the end of December, I feel ko ano yung mga hinihintay na good news, communication, good outcome, maaari pang magkaroon ng hindrance, mga delays. Pero itutuloy mo ang hard work. Andyan pa rin ang connection na to. Pero wala akong nakikitang positive transformation about the relationship anytime soon. Mas madali kasing i-manage ang personal goals kasi ikaw ang may control niyan kung saan mo gustong lumipat or magnegosyo, alright? But I feel etong until the end of the year ay kasama pa rin sa learning chapter ng ating mga Aries. Meron ka mga gustong i-manifest na maaaring hindi pa rin maibigay ni God, maaaring magkaroon ng konti pang delays because it could be you're not ready yet, may mga pagdadaanan pa na lesson and mga realization for you to be more ready about this, mga pinagdadasal mo na bagay na gusto mo. Pagdating sa relationship, parang hindi pa kayo aligned nung person mo, readiness about this connection, okay? So, find the balance muna. I feel mas priority mo right now yung personal goals mo, okay? So, motivation na ilaban ang mga bagay na gusto mo and for good luck, cornelian bracelet, lahat ng crystals natin, high quality, cleansed and blessed by the enlightened guide, okay? To protect your energy, and to shoo away negative energy and evil eye, Madagascar black tourmaline, also the evil eye. Okay? Lahat ng crystals, cleanse at may blessing. Okay? For now, Aries, wala pa rin. Kumbaga niluluto pa lang ang iyong success, ang mga good news. May mga lesson din tayo na kailangang i-extract from the situation. Hindi naman nangyayari yung sabihin nating unfortunate events na yan para pahirapan ka lang ng universe. Meron kailangang matutunan. No? For now, parang medyo hindi mo pa nakukuha yung lesson. Okay? Pagdating sa love, may hinahantay, may ginagawa pa kayong fine-tuning between you and your person. Wala pa akong nakikitang stability here. Not yet. But I feel you'll stay together at ipaglalaban nyo pa rin ang connection na to. But I feel the feminine is more ready. So, feminine, find the balance also and be fair sa sarili mo. Kung hindi pa ready yung masculine, focus ka muna sa sarili mo, sa goals mo, sa glow up mo. You cannot wait kung kailan ready ang masculine. Okay? Don't waste your time. And that would be the Aries reading for the month of August. See you again in a few days for your